All right, we've got shrimp here.
Shrimp.
How about, she does not like seafood.
Shrimp. Yeah.
But we love shrimp. Yoshi brought in a puppy named Shrimp who's been whining just a second ago here.
Yes, yes. Shrimp is a 3-month-old Border Collie mix. Border Collies typically will get anywhere from about 30 to 45 pounds. They'll live anywhere from about 10 to 17 years, so they live a nice, long, healthy life. Oh.
And they're also talkative, huh?
Yes, yes, and he sings, so if,
That's a beautiful song.
yeah, it is a beautiful song. I was teaching it to him in the green room. So he's so adorable. There's actually 3 of them.
He's got siblings, huh?
He's got siblings, yeah. So there's 2 more back at the shelter. I happened to just bring Shrimp. I could only handle 1. So he's absolutely just the cutest little thing, though.
He really is. You fall in love with him fast.
Yes, yes.
So what's his
Potty. Go ahead.
potty training? Oh, let's talk about that.
Yes.
Ah, it's so hard.
He's going to definitely need to be potty trained. He's still at the very early, young phase of just kind of going wherever he goes when he needs to go.
Like right now.
Right now, yeah. He's telling me I gotta go.
Okay.
What's his adoption fee?
We do too.
So his adoption fee is $350, which includes the microchip vaccination, and he's also neutered.
Oh,
so all of that for a really
That
good
could
price.
be why he's crying.
yeah.
All right, thanks, Yoshi. Here's all the info on the screen. It's the Humane Society of Utah, 801-261-2919.
Max, hello. Isn't this puppy cute? Shrimp's adorable.
My gosh! And when he made that noise,
Yeah. He's going to do it again.
wow, the whole place has fallen in love, I think. All right, well, you know, yesterday Walmart announced